welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I'm going to share with you a lovely spring recipe because fava beans, they are back to the farmer's market. Fava beans, also called broad beans, are a lovely protein source, and I'm going to pair them with cashews that are another source of proteins. So this is a super lovely vegetarian pasta for your toddlers and will give the extra kick of energy to your little ones. First thing to do, soak the cashews in cool water overnight. The next day they will turn soft and pale brown. Shelling the fava beans is a two-step process. First, you take the beans out of their pod. And this is a very simple, fun, and for me relaxing activity that you can do with your kids too. Then you can remove the skin layer from the beans, simply pinching the skin with your nail, and it will come out very easily. Blanch the beans in boiling water for 2-3 minutes. Drain and set apart. In a food processor, add the cashews, the lemon zest, the lemon juice, the garlic, half of the fava beans, the extra virgin olive oil, the water, and the Parmesan cheese. Blend and create a smooth paste. It's time to cook the pasta in salted boiling water. And I really like to use a small shaped pasta for toddlers that is called pastina, that basically means little pasta. In a large bowl, combine the pasta, few tablespoons of the cashew pesto, the remaining fava beans. This is a lovely Italian trick to prepare the pasta. When the pasta is cooking, just take 1 cup of the boiling water and set it apart. When you're going to drain the pasta and mix the pasta with the sauce, you're going to use that boiling water that contains some of the starch of the pasta to thin the pasta with the pasta sauce, because what happens is that the pasta is still very hot and basically kind of dries out the sauce, and adding some of the pasta water will create that nice cream that you see in the Italian recipes. This is a super simple trick and always works. And top with some grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese and some fresh mint leaves. I really hope your little ones are going to enjoy this fava beans and cashew pasta. It's simply delicious. It's so fresh and really tastes like spring. Also, it has a lovely nutritional content, tons of proteins, good for your little ones. If you're looking for similar recipes, check all the links in the area here below. That's also where you can leave me comments, and remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, bye!